Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this piece of wood that I got from Dollar Tree. It's 5.5 by 7.5. I paint it with a coat of linen colored chalk paint. That's by Folkart. Once that's dry, I'm doing a light coat of plaster colored chalk paint on top of that. I want to be able to see some of that linen color showing through the white once it dries. Once that plaster paint is dry, I go around and sand the whole thing to give it a bit of distressing. Next, I'm taking this ribbon, which I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm hot gluing that halfway on what will be the back, wrapping it around the entire front, trying to just eyeball it to get it centered, trimming that up, and then hot gluing it in the back on top of that piece that I started with, and then flip it over, and I see where I want the ribbon to go across, and then I'll be hot gluing it on top of that previous ribbon. I then flip it over, so this is the side that isn't glued down, and I put some twine underneath both ribbons and then tie it in a knot nice and tight to pinch those ribbons together. I do leave that twine on there. I'm cutting some different pine picks, and I'll be hot gluing those throughout the center. Next, I'm taking this rusty bell I got from Amazon, and I'm sticking both pieces of twine through that, going in opposite directions, pulling that tight and tying that in a knot. I then trim up those pieces of twine and then add a little bit of hot glue underneath that bell. And then the last thing I'm doing is taking this little red berry piece and hot gluing that into place. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.